Alright, so it came care of UPS, and when you ordered that early in the morning on February 3rd, you got free next day delivery. So that's how this one was shipped. We'll go ahead and open this up here. Haha, Big Red, rule the air. Let's see. It's like a little starter package here. It's got invoice in it. And looks very similar to AT&T's packaging. On the back here, you'll see it's got the Verizon logo, and it's a 16 gig model. I'm using my phone here, so sorry for the lack of clarity on that. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is kind of a last second video, but just wanted to make sure that you guys saw this here. Open it right up, and there it is. So go ahead and wall charger here. We got a sync cable, charging cable, and standard 3.5mm headphone earbuds. Set the phone to the side, inside here. Fingertip guide. Looks like probably some warranty info. Standard Apple stickers. Let's go and dig into this. Yep, just some standard warranty info. And this is your user guide here. Looks like it goes into detail on voice commands, FaceTime, how to use the intelligent keyboard, iTunes syncing, the App Store, multitasking, working with folders, your camera, high-def video, and GPS. Now the phone itself. Let's go ahead and power this up. There we go. Very similar to AT&T. In fact, there's only a few differences that I've only read about. The volume buttons here are scooted down to make room for that Qualcomm chip that supports the CDMA network. That's about it. Beautiful device. Okay, folks, this has been an unboxing of the Verizon iPhone 4, and you've been in Vito's Corner. We'll see you in the next video.